promise to be one heart and one soul. Come this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer,
and sickness
and the health.
till death do us part.
We
We
place
place
ourselves
ourselves
and our
our life together
in
in
the loving hands of God.
Okay, so please bring out your rings. So you have selected these rings as tokens of your marriage covenant. They are made of gold, which is a type of metal that endures and does not tarnish, fittingly representing the tie that binds husband and wife. The endless circle, the shape of these rings, symbolizes your union, which is to continue as long as life exists. Huwag mo na ilalagay yan. Please take the rings and put them on each other's ring finger as you say your vows. So let's start with the groom, Kenneth. So habang nilalagay mo, basahin mo yung
Myron
vows
Gitones
mo.
wear this ring as a sign of my love and faithfully
Fidelity.
to you for all years to come.
Si Michael naman.
Yun. Liwa mo lang.
Kenneth Domon, wear this ring as sign of my love and fidelity to you for all years to come.
Higo ra.
Do you witness attest that Kenneth and Michael have indeed freely exchanged marriage promises and are therefore now bound in the bond of marriage? So we do your own. So as Kenneth and Michael have consented together to marry each other and have witnessed the same before God and men, and have pledged their faith to each other, and have declared the same by joining hands and by receiving rings. Therefore, by the authority vested upon me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, I hereby declare Kenneth and Michael husband and wife. So you may look behind you sa inyong mga family and friends. I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Dumont. Congratulations, and for the most awaited part, Kenneth, you may now kiss the bride. Ano matagal? Paano ma-capture? Tapos si Kenneth naman.
Ini yang mau tahu.
Tapos yung witnesses. So congratulations and best wishes.
Thank you po.
Thank
Si
you.
Miss Pinky Rose po.
Yung ano na lang, ang witnesses. Salamat.
Please do.
Yung Pinky Rose.
Okay na. So that
Yung ano nila.
ito nga pre.
is yung ano yung yan. Okay. Usay pa ba yan? Yan.
Oh, wala.
Yung judge. Yung pangalan ng judge. Yan, kikita natin po. Ayan.
Kamu din.
Ayo. Mid. Huli. Tek.
Pwede na.
Ini apa?
Kaya sa sa imo na.
Mau.
Minadali ko lang yun pag ganun. Wala nang pagkutan. Ano pa?
Alam ko lang meron akong ganyan bouquet. Doon nga ako kumukuha. Oo. Yung artificial lang. Ay, cake. Ay, wala tayong ano, cake slicer. Cake slicer. Ito, pwede to. Ito.
Ano daw?
Cake slicer. Wala na cake. Sige, iwa na.
Uy, ang dami.
Uy, ang dami na pagkain. Ilang? Ako extra plate. Excited Kenneth ko eh. Ala, sabi nila kung gano'n daw kalaki ang susuko sa iyo na magiging asawa, gano'n daw din kalaki. Hindi ka pamahalas eh. Sige na, okay na? Bayan, pag-enjoy. Sige na, okay na. Wow. Ay na, bumigay ka. Eh, ikaw na.
Gusto ko yan siya.
Grabe. Dali-dali man. Dili na pa lang din. Isa ka. Tapila na yung pag-ingalan din. Ano mo? Dali na. Wait. Ito mo.
Doon banda.
Isa lang?
Permanente mo lang yan, naka-video na yan.
Sa kanya lang.
Sa kanya lang.